Residents evacuated from their apartments after some people said they suddenly felt ill.
Investigators say it was carbon monoxide. CBS 2's Jessica Layton is in Fordham Manor.
Parents hugged their kids in the cold during a carbon monoxide scare in the Bronx Monday night, knowing that even though they were stuck outside, they were lucky.
Yes, because it's like a silent killer, how the guys say. I mean, we didn't was aware of anything.
Grismaldi Lopez and her little boy didn't know there was a problem until the FDNY knocked on their door and told them to get out. As neighbors evacuated, firefighters tried to find the source of the poison that sickened 11 people, 4 EMS workers and 7 residents, including a mother and her 2 kids on the first floor.
We have the detector, but it didn't make any sound. Even right now, I'm scared to go in because I don't know if anything can come back and something can happen during the night.
EMS rushed to the corner of East 195th Street and Decatur Avenue in the Fordham Manor section during dinner time after residents called 911 to report they didn't feel right.
When they went into the building, their carbon monoxide meters on their coats went off with 200 parts per million.
Chief Michael Gunning says anything over 100 parts per million is high. The FDNY quickly realized the leak was coming from the building's basement furnace.
Once we shut the furnace down and vented all the windows, all the CO readings went down.
Everyone is expected to be okay, including that mom and her 2 kids, though I'm told they are planning to stay in the hospital overnight just to be extra safe. From the Fordham Manor section of the Bronx, Jessica Layton, CBS 2 News.